Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm doing a pour. I'm going to do a beach pour. Actually, I'm doing a memorial piece for my mom. I'm going to include some of her ashes in the pour, in the sand. This is a Blick wood panel, 18 by 24. And the colors that I'm going to use, I kind of put down some paint on the bottom here just to kind of get a base down. The colors I'm using are my Eyecandy pigments, mica powders. I'm using the white. I'm using Satori white. I don't know if that's correct, but that's what it is. It's the paste. I'm using Eyecandy's Perusian purple. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. And I'm using the Noken blue, another really deep blue. And I'm using angel blue. Really pretty colors. For the sand, I'm using obviously clear, and then I got some sand from like the decorative fillers from Michael's, and I poured some sand in there. Like I said, I do have it mixed with my mom's ashes, some of my mom's ashes. So I'm going to put that down and then get going here. So, and I do have some crystals and some shells and stuff I'm going to add to it as well. So let's get started.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
Alright, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I didn't realize that a camera went off. I know, I'm sure you could hear my smoke alarms going off because my heat gun was getting so hot. It was ridiculous. But sorry about that. So I did add some crystals, a whole bunch of different kinds to the sand. And some starfish in the shells, but just look at those pretty colors. I'm obsessed with Eyecandy Micas. Their pigment, like look at that white, like it's just gorgeous. And then just so much shimmer in there. I did use KSresin. So, and that's equal parts one resin to the hardener. I do have a discount code in the description below if you're interested in getting some new resin. I think I need to heat that up a little bit. But I'm affiliated with them, so I do have a discount code in the description. I believe it's 10% off. And yeah. And also there's a link in the description for the Eyecandy pigments. If you're interested in those, I have a discount as well for that. And I do thank everybody for joining me. I love this piece. I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out. It's beautiful. And now I can hang my mom on the wall. I'll have to show you. This is where I have my mom. This is her the day before she passed away. She died of lung cancer. Yeah, kind of sad. And these are her glasses and her band for the hospital. And then I have some, sorry, some little letters that she wrote, notes that she wrote herself to make sure she asked her doctor like the week before she passed away. It's so sad. Like one of them, she says, ask about going to Walmart because she wanted new pajamas. And so the day before this picture we took, we kind of left the nursing home, or she was in hospice for the last week, and so we snuck out of the place and went to Walmart so she could get herself a new pair of pajamas. And then she has the shorts and tank top, nightwear. She wanted to go to the Goodwill, but we didn't do that. And call the doctor and be happy. I like looking at these little notes that kind of make me giggle. And about me, this one here kind of breaks my heart, but she wanted to ask the doctor about me dying or what. I can't die today. Too much to do. Yeah, so. But you would have never known she was going to pass away like that full week until like they just kind of started upping her medicines, and then she kind of really wasn't awake much for people visiting and whatnot. But yeah, so my mom loved the water. She actually had some of her ashes spread at this place in Iowa that she used to go, her and her family used to go camping and swimming, and so she spread some of her ashes there, and then us kids all took some, and yeah, so I thought instead of keeping all of her in that little box, she would love the water, so I thought I would make this beautiful memorial for her, and so I can hang it on the wall and she can be there watching Lifetime with me. I do thank everybody for joining me. I appreciate you guys' love and support. Hopefully if you enjoyed, you will like and comment and share and all that fun jazz. That helps my channel out tremendously. If you're new, I appreciate you joining us today. Hopefully you will come back again and hit that notification bell. Get notified when I put up my next videos. I usually do them on Sundays and Wednesdays, and then I do random ones here and there. And yeah, but I do thank you guys for joining me. I hope everybody is healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. And have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.